BSides Mumbai.
BSides Mumbai.
BSides Mumbai.
BSides Mumbai.
BSides Mumbai. BSides.
Security BSides Mumbai 2024.
Hi guys, this is Sanjay Singh.
It was really good experience coming to BSides Mumbai. People are really enthusiastic.
Yeah, definitely the experience here besides it's amazing because the amount of speakers here, the crowd, the management, all is very good. And apart from this, the amount of things you can learn here is phenomenal. So all the best, BSides.